Hello all, Tony here. It's been another challenging week in markets with all three key US indices set to finish the week in the red for a third consecutive time as the conflict in the Middle East and surging oil prices reignite inflation fears, weighing heavily on risk sentiment and dashing hopes for multiple Fed rate cuts this year. Closer to home, the ASX 200 is also feeling the pinch. It's currently trading around 2.5% lower and poised for a second week of losses, already down over 6% for the month of March at the halfway mark. The local index is tracking that global pullback with higher energy costs adding to inflationary expectations here in Australia. Looking ahead, next week is a big one for central banks with rate decisions from the RBA, the Fed, the ECB, the Bank of England, and the Bank of Japan. While our RBA is expected to hike rates by 25 basis points, the other four central banks are anticipated to keep rates on hold, but likely sound hawkish as those surging oil prices from the Middle East reignite inflationary fears across the board. Beyond all those central bank meetings, the Middle East conflict will undoubtedly remain the primary driver for commodity and equity markets as we push deeper into week 3 of the conflict with no end in sight. That's all for this update. Stay tuned for more market updates ahead.